goodie bags for a good cause. Need a winter pick-me-up? Or want a last-minute gift idea for a friend who does beading? Make a donation to a worthy cause and get a goodie bag sent to you or a friend. When you open up the bag, you'll find various combinations of different types of beads: seed beads, Czech glass, Swarovski crystal, Czech or Chinese crystal, bugle beads, other shaped beads like magatamas, fire polished beads in different sizes, 2-hole Czech glass beads, Czech cabochons, custom coated Swarovski items, and every bag contains one special item, which is either a lampwork glass bead or freshwater pearl or other type of handmade bead, just something different from the rest of what's in the bag. I hope you enjoy!